Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your sets on your Skype app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to take here in this window, and all you have to do now. So you just go down here, you click here on settings, then it's going to take you here to settings window, and you just go up, you click here on account profile, then it's going to take here in this window, and all you have to do now, so you just click here on your profile here, then it's going to take you to this window here, just switching to open with you, so it's going to take a time, then it's going to show for you like this, and you just go down here and you come here to state, you just click here, and here you add your state here, and you go down, you click here on save changes, and it's going to add with you on your Skype app. So thank you for your watching, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.